Today's adventure is on the Mekong Delta in southern Vietnam. We're on the Mekong River, and this is a path that's been traveled by so many people from the United States. And it's one of the largest rivers in Asia. And you can see each side is covered by mangroves, and it's just a few feet wide at this point, and not too deep. So we're having a great time, and it's very humid and hot in the Mekong Delta in Vietnam. We are in Vietnam on the Mekong Delta, and we're floating down the river, which is only like 10 feet wide, a little four-person. It's pretty fun. And it's pretty awesome, isn't it?
It's amazing. Unbelievable. We're here in Vietnam. Everything you can imagine and more.
And it's a little warm out and humid.
And your hats.
Yeah, in case the sun comes up, we are ready to go.
Go with the straw hat.
In Vietnam. In a little four-person rowboat, and we're just floating down, and we've got our lovely captain of the ship, Phan Quay Kom, which means, how are you doing? I think I said it right.
We are on the Mekong River, getting the Mekong River boat tour. Here's our captain right there, front view of our road. Brad and Joe sitting here on the boat. Hey, hon. And it's just a gorgeous day, like it's amazing weather, beautiful view here in Vietnam. Bus ride to the boat, to the lake, from the boat.
Okay, we're on the Mekong Delta in Vietnam, and we are out sweating and in the jungle. And there is the river right there. And we're on a bike ride.
It's brown, water's brown.
Pretty sweet bikes. Right there, I'll say that. Mine's got a basket in it. So we're getting a bike ride and getting some good exercise.
We're biking the Kong in Vietnam.
Snake, gecko, chim sen, sometimes lizard, centipede.
Snake and gecko inside here. All right.
Yeah, you can have
He's gonna
that.
have a toast. Cheers. Cheers. Snake and gecko. Okay, we're in the Mekong Delta in Saigon, or in Vietnam, and we're at a coconut factory. And this is how that delicious coconut candy you try is made. We start with the coconut. We take the husk off. This very, whatever, it comes off like that. And then we get the coconut, and it goes in pieces like this. And then it drops in that machine, and comes out like this. Once it comes out like this, it's squeezed in the milk. And it adds a couple flavor in there, and it boils until it becomes thick. Then it gets put in here, squeezed over the heat until it becomes nice and sticky and turns into these yummy pieces. Then it goes into a log. It goes in these awesome logs and turned into square pieces until it dries out. Chop them up, put them over here, wrap them there. You do 5,000 a day. And you get delicious coconut candy. It's so good. Vietnam.
Đò có em hát sang không đến nhắn em chờ đò em đưa rước người sang sông dòng nước xanh trong sông nhấp nhô theo đường con đò về em đưa người sang sông
we're in the Mekong Delta. We're in the middle of the Mekong River, and we're on this download. We have run out of fuel.
We have no fuel.
Luckily, we got out of the way of this barge that did not run through us here. And he's going to go that way. But we are stuck in the middle of the water right now, waiting to get rescued.
No fuel.
We're on the Mekong River. We were on a cruise that turned out to be an adventure because this down boat ran out of fuel.
So on a tour today, we have around like 16 people come from different countries, and we have a great tour today. Hope you visit Vietnam one day and then enjoy the tour with me. So today we have done a lot of things like do small boat, coconut candy factory, honey, and pagoda, and we will fun on the big boat too. You will see that in Vietnam.
We did lots of stuff. We went into the heart of Vietnam and we made it back to Saigon in one piece.